So Gilbert multiplier cell. So the drawbacks in the emitter coupled transistor multiplier is overcome by using Gilbert multiplier. So what is the drawback is the emitter coupled multiplier, the V2 is always positive and the V2 is offset by VBE on. That is V2 is always positive, so it will be operated only in the 2-quadrant mode. So here I have a 3 differential pair transistors, that is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5 and Q6. So here I have given plus V1 for transistor Q3 and for Q6 and minus V1 for transistor Q4 and Q5. Here the plus V2 for base of the transistor Q1 and minus V2 for base of the transistor Q2, and IE is my constant current source, emitter current source. Here IC3, IC4, IC5, IC are my collector current. So I am going to take a difference between my output IL1 minus IL2, that is my output current. So here I can write IL1 using the Kirchhoff's current law. Incoming current is equal to outgoing current. So I can write IL1 is equal to IC3 plus IC5, and I can write IL2 is equal to IC4 plus IC6. So I am going to substitute that value here. Then I am going to take IC3 minus IC4 plus IC5 minus IC6. By rearranging this equation, I will get this. So this is my second equation. So from the emitter coupled transistor pair, I can write this IC3 is equal to IC1 divided by 1 plus e power minus V1 divided by Vt. So here I can write IC4 is equal to IC1 divided by 1 plus e power V1 divided by Vt from this. So for similarly for IC5, I can write IC5 is equal to IC2 divided by 1 plus e power V1 divided by Vt, because it is connected to negative value, so this becomes V1. Since it is connected to the positive terminal, this becomes minus V1 divided by Vt. So I am going to substitute this 4 equation in the equation 2. So I will get del IL is equal to IC1 divided by 1 plus e power minus V1 divided by Vt minus IC1 divided by 1 plus e power V1 divided by Vt plus IC2 1 plus e power V1 divided by Vt minus IC2 1 plus e power minus V1 divided by Vt. So if I take IC1 common, and this equation, total equation becomes tan H V1 divided by 2 Vt, and if I take IC2 common, this term, whole term becomes tan H V1 divided by 2 Vt. As I already told, tan H of x is equal to x. So I can write, so now I am going to take tan H of V1 divided by 2 Vt common. So I will get IC1 minus IC2. So we know that from the emitter coupled transistor pair, IC1 is equal to IE divided by 1 plus e power minus V2 divided by Vt. So this I have derived from that equation. IC2 is equal to IE divided by 1 plus e power V2 divided by Vt. So I am going to substitute 7 and 8 in the equation 9. So I will get del IL is equal to tan H V1 divided by 2 Vt IE divided by 1 plus e power minus V2 divided by Vt minus IE divided by 1 plus e power V2 divided by Vt. So if I take IE common, this whole term becomes tan H V2 divided by 2 Vt. So as I already told, tan H of x is equal to x. So I can write IE is into V1 divided by 2 Vt into V2 divided by 2 Vt. So this one, it will allow for a 4-quadrant multiplication, and my offset get removed. The application of this Gilbert multiplier is it is used as a phase detector, and it is used as a modulator like FM and AM, and it is also used for signal conditioning. The next type of multiplier is a variable transconductance multiplier. So here also I have a differential pair transistor Q1, Q2, and RC and RC both values are same. So my collector current IC1, this is my collector current IC1 and IC2. So the other end of the RC is connected to my positive power supply. So here positive supplies V1 is connected to the base of the transistor Q1, and sorry, here minus is missing. Negative supply is connected to the transistor Q2. So here I have connected one more transistor Q3 followed by a emitter resistance R3. So the relation between V0 and V1, that is V0 is equal to Gm RC V1, where Gm is equal to IE divided by Vt. So I am going to substitute that equation in 1. So V0 is equal to IE divided by Vt into RC V1. So we know that V2 is equal to IE RE. So I am going to substitute IE is equal to V2 divided by RE, because from here V2 is equal to, this is the emitter current IE. So V2 is equal to IE RE. So from this equation I am going to substitute IE is equal to V2 divided by RE. So V0 becomes V0 is equal to V2 RC V1 divided by VT RE. So I am going to take this whole term as K. So K is equal to RC divided by VT RE. So my K is a scaling factor. So V0, my output voltage, is equal to K into V2 into V1. Test book. D. Roy Chowdhury, Shahil Jain, Linear Integrated Circuit, New Age International Private Limited, 2018, 5th edition, from Unit 1 to 5. And second one is Sergio Franco, Design with Operational Amplifier and Analog Integrated Circuits, 4th edition, Tata Material, Gurahil, 2016, Unit 1 to 5. My reference are these 7 books. Thank you.